Timer, are you listening to something? Because you said you're listening to something. What are you listening? For once? Drastic? What do you mean for once? You like coffee? Yeah, I do. I just had one. Come on. Oh my. Well, 2 blue grapes. Congratulations, everyone. Time is open. That was close. Was a close one. But hey, let's not lose our hope. Let's just keep on positive. But yeah, I do, Misha. I do like coffee. I just have to chew one thing already. What about you? What was bubble? Who's Chris? The last bubble was a 5. One yellow. Banana section. Congratulations. Your time is over. Long time no see. I know it's been a few days. Here we go, let's spin the wheel. But I'm here now, Jalu. If I'm saying that right. Yeah. Well, it's so nice to see you, of course, always. What about you, Misha? Do you like coffee? Yeah. Marcus, yes. I know. Doing my best. What's up with you? How is it going? Okay. Another bubble surprise. That's good. Our second one already. You love coffee too. What do you like your coffee? Like simple? Or maybe some milk? Might get this messed up. Let's see which one is going to be the winning one this time. Here we go. 10x this time. Alright, enjoy your winnings. Wishing you all the best in your next upcoming round. It's good and it's not. Spinning time is open now. The cappuccino, love it. Love it. Love cappuccino. Me too. Me too. Here we go now. Let's spin the wheel. Cappuccino, yep. But have you ever tried a cappuccino with maybe some cinnamon on top? Just a little bit. The taste is so good. Well, I don't know, but this was our second bubble surprise already. Hoping for more. Right now, 1 yellow. Banana section. Congratulations, everyone. The time is open. What about cinnamon? Have you ever tried it? Some cinnamon on top of your coffee. It's been a while. That's a good taste. Especially little on topping. Yes, exactly. Sprinkles of cinnamon. Especially in the winter time, you know, like pumpkin spice, latte, or actually, it's not that great. I mean, okay, I like it, but it's not like, whoa, I cannot leave it away. J-Lo. 1 yellow. Banana section. Congratulations, everyone. That's our available now for you. Oh yeah. Let's spin the wheel. You like butter as well? Okay. What else? What's your favorite one? All right. Can interrupt right now. Yes, exactly. Come on now. Follow me. Let's go to the performance. Are you ready for this one? Because I am. I hope you are too. So, feel free to pick your favorite candy. The one red one or the yellow one. Don't have enough time. Don't worry. The candy will choose you. Also, on these 4 chocolate bars right here, 4 more puzzle boxes will appear. And if your candy goes through all of them, jackpot, 1,000 extra multipliers. So here we go.
5 দেন এই ফুল হয়
Starting
5
with
দেবলে কাম ভাই 5 দিয়ে
এপাতে না এপাতে হ্যাঁ তালি আছে
ভাই ঈদ লেগেছে ভাই
a smart times 3 or
ঈদ
more,
লেগেছে
and you will share the results with me at the end.
ভাই কত চাইছি আমি বেশি করে চালে
3 plus 5 times 3. Everyone, let's go back to the wheel. Enjoy your winnings. Wishing you all the best in your next
আমি খালি মনে করছি আল্লাহ এ পাদা হলে পাদা আজকে ঠান্ডা একটা বাতাস দিয়ে দিই
মেঘ ধরে আছে গোরাত কখন ঝড় পুরা সেটা ঠিক নেই
ভাই বলছি ভাই
জিদার সঙ্গে কি কথা ছিল দাদা কি কথা ছিল কার তখন কি করলাম মনে আছে না
একটা রুমের ব্যবস্থা করে দিত
রুমের ব্যবস্থা করে দাও তো ভালো দিকে
ও রুম
বললাম না তোমার
আজ থেকে 3 দিন পরে ফাঁকা হবে আমি যাবেন আপনি যাবেন
লাইক দাও
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
আজ থেকে 3 দিন পরে
বোম পড়ে গেল
লাগে এখন ছাপ
বোম পড়ে গেল নাকি না
আলতা বাসন আলতা